He's got an airsoft shotgun and he's shooting us.
Dude, I've been stuck here for like 30 minutes, no joke. Holy crap!
We've got 2 pistols. He's outnumbering
Oh!
And he just keeps on reloading. I'm gonna try to take a shot at him.
Don't do it, man. I need to put it down. I need to load my gun. I missed.
Pretty dang tough. Hiding behind these homemade
Whatever
thingies. He's reloading now. We probably could get out. That gun's quick to reload.
Crap. Oh god.
Ow. Oh god. Hit me in the shoulder.
There he is.
You guys will never escape.
He's hiding behind the car. I don't know what he's hiding.
Really,
got-
the ones that should be hiding.
Seriously.
Okay, I'm gonna move out.
Dude, don't do it. Don't shoot in my mom's car.
Oh god, he just hit me. Oh.
Holy crap. Why does he keep hiding? Oh my god. This is tough. Okay, seriously, I am totally freaked out. All I got is a pistol.
Where did he go? Where did he go?
I don't know.
Guys, where did he go?
I don't know.
Oh. Shoot.
Yeah, we are like freaked out and we
Oh my
can't.
god, oh god!
We can't move at all.
Here he is. Why is safety on? Safety was on.
And that's maybe why you didn't even hit him.
Seems like this gun doesn't shoot unless I'm not hitting him.
Missed.
Yes.
Here, take the camera.
This is pretty creepy. He's shooting at us. Bullets are like ricocheting right next to us. Oh my god, there he is.
Almost got him.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna try to
There he
shoot
is.
him.
Look at that gun. Okay, here he is. That's Josh.
Holy crap. Oh
Oh
my
my god. He's just got a tiny, we both got
I missed.
tiny little airsoft pistols. I've got a 9mm. He's got a SOCOM one with a laser pointer, except the laser pointer's not on. So, yeah, it's a SOCOM. And, yeah, we're screwed.
It's a 620.
Okay, the bullets have stopped. I think I'm out.
You hit me in the leg.
Logan!
Josh.
Crap!
This is pretty terrifying. Oh my god! One just like literally hit me after it ricocheted.
Ow! God!
This isn't good.
Thank God, got that camera here in time. Oh my god! Holy crap! I am very uncomfortable right now.
We're getting shot at, so we go
I'm
grab
almost out of ammo.
grab the camera. I'm scared.
I'm almost out of ammo.
Yeah, I've got 2 more bullets left.
I got 3. There's that one.
And I'm moving out.
Dude, don't do it. It's too much of a risk.
Okay. You're acting like a drama movie person.
Well, it seriously is. He's right around.
Crap. Oh my god! Okay. Just got shot in the back. Oh crap. Oh god, I just hit him. I got him. I have no clue where he is. Ow. With these protective glasses on. They're really not working, they're just fogging up. Back up. Had 3 bullets left. We were screwed waist deep. Josh. Don't do it, it's too risky. Got shot in the back, but then I turned around and shot him in the chest. Just dropped a bullet. It's pretty quiet right now. I'm pretty sure that he's occupied. We're gonna move in. It's a pretty good yard for airsoft. More just lots of corners. Let's see, where is he? Oh God! Oh crap! One of them just about hit me. God! Moving, getting out of here. Almost got him. This is pretty crazy. Oh my God, he's right behind me. Where is he? Okay, dude, we're gonna have to turn the camera. Oh my God, he's coming. We gotta turn the camera off for now.